Hey guys, it's me back, and one other thing Cody was about to say is don't hate on our Lego builds because we're really noobs at Legos.
Yeah, don't hate our builds, guys.
Yeah, like what he said. And also don't forget to please subscribe and like. I will say that mostly often in the video. So yeah, I think I just saw my mom. It's creepy. Man. Oh geez. Charger. So.
Are your blinds open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're open.
Where's I close them?
It was easy making a YouTube channel. Hi Bella. Oh yeah, guys, this is my dog Bella. She's very cute. Oh no! She's destroying the Legos. No. Oh no. Here comes Bella. Here comes Bella. Here comes Bella. Hi dear. Hi dear. Hi dear Bella. Come here. No, come back. Stop that. You're in the video. Stop that. That was really funny. I need to go. Wait, how much percent do I have? Check. 10%. Dang it. 10%. Cody, come on. Oh god, here comes Bella. You okay? She jumped over you, I think. I need to watch the video back. Oh jeez. Oh man, I think she's sniffing your butt. Oh no, she's sniffing everything. Oh god, you look creepy. You look like a walking ghost.
Calm down. Calm yourself.
Bella, come here. Come here, Bella. You're being in the video. Bella. What are you gonna say? Woof, woof. Oh, I know what she said. She said, please like and subscribe. That's what I heard.
Don't do anything, Bella. Calm down.
Yeah, he's not doing anything. Man, my camera's blurry. Hold on. Need a new camera. Oh, stop that. I don't like the camera. Nothing. Oh yeah. And, I never did this before, but like, if any of you guys in Woodland are watching this, and please subscribe also, because I know almost all of you, and even Place, if you watch YouTube there, don't let them see you, or they will terminate you. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I think I'm seriously, they will terminate you.
Okay, that's creepy.
They would eat your guts out.
They're not monsters, they're teachers, dum-dum. Oh no, I hear Bella. Where's Bella?
Monsters. Ooh, shots fired.
You're in middle school and you're still funny. Don't know why. Oh my god, the camera's pointing at the... What are you pointing at? Are you pointing... Oh god. He's so close to me.
Guys,
Bella!
look how awesome this is.
Oh yeah, I built that.
No, he didn't.
Yes, I did.
He had help from his sister.
Bella! Come here, Bella!
Oh yeah, and guys, we also sponsor DanTM
Yes.
and TNT. So if you don't know them, subscribe to them.
Also, we don't know who... We need to figure out who that TNT guy is. He makes funny videos, like demos or something.
No, he makes like
Videos about...
if sand and gravel didn't fall and like
Yeah.
what if
Bella!
he makes what if.
Come on, Bella! Bella! Come here, Bella! Bella!
And guys, like and subscribe to Minecraft because Minecraft's cool.
Yeah. I wonder... I seen Scott Coffin on a video. Where does he live? Dun-na-na-na, like the Illuminati song. Dun-na-na-na-na-na-na. Wait, Bella, come here! Bella! Bella, come here, Bella! Bella! Jeez, my camera's not dead. Oh god, it's a dog! Kill it! I killed it. Hee. Oh, that's a random road. Bella! Hi, Bella! Bella, please subscribe to our video. Oh no! She's walking away. Bye, Bella.
You scared of this?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Yeah. So, yeah. Man, I hope my other video is uploading. Do you think it is?
It should be uploaded by now.
Yeah, it should be. I see Bella.
Oh, D9, son.
What was that?
Nothing.
I see you, booty.
Nothing.
What is this? A football. Okay then. Smack. Hee hee, I smack a laka. Oh yeah, if you want to see my Legos. I have a lot of Legos. Yeah. No, they're not.
He just comes and visits me to play with my Legos.
This is my house. Okay. Hey, Mom, come here.
I'm just joking,
Oh.
Andrew.
Please subscribe.
Never mind.
Please subscribe to his old channel because they're reruns, I think, right?
I only have I had 20 videos uploaded.
This is my second video, and I probably have like a jillion subscribers.
You're funny, Andrew.
That'd be funny. If the first person got a jillion subscribers,
So their first video, they're the most famous YouTuber in the world.
and they give like a gazillion subscribers, they're like,
And they get all their diamond play button and all that stuff in like one day.
oh, did you know that they actually earn money by making videos?
Oh yeah, like some YouTubers can get like over
$1 million a day.
Check the guy? He's a rich man.
I know. Have you seen his house?
He lives in an apartment.
I know, but like a very expensive apartment, and he can afford everything, I think.
But Jacksepticeye's rich. He's like.
But I live in a house. You can even see kind of outside that I live near a forest.
Yeah.
I really hope there's no.
In a forest.
Technically.
This place is.
Whoa, my camera's all shaky.
Because you're moving, Andrew.
I know.
Laws of physics.
No, I didn't know that.
You should go read up on it sometime. Maybe get smarter.
Oh, shush. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez. Wait, what is that? Oh, it's a Lego. I was about to say, what is that? Wait, what is that? Oh, it's a bullet. Wait,
Hey.
it's so hard to do.
I think we should end the video now.
I wanted to get to 10 minutes. It's like, 3.
Most famous YouTubers do.
Yeah, they do like an hour. There's a guy that did an 2 hours build battle. And I can never do 2 hours holding this phone. Or camera. Either way, I don't know if it's a camera or not.
That's why you said it.
Oh, shush. So, bye guys.
Gotta be
This.
smart, Andrew. Gotta be smart. Gotta be smart, Andrew.
Okay.
Like, always go. Be smart.
Oh, wait. I want to show you guys someone. Because since I have, like, I can't find him though. Ah, here he is. Hey, Bobby! I'm Bobby the monkey. I see you. I see you all. Ah! See you next video. Bye. Please like and subscribe.